Wondershare PDFelement is a versatile tool designed to make PDF management as simple as using a word processor. Whether you are using version 11 or the latest AI-integrated updates, the interface is built around a series of intuitive tabs. Here is a comprehensive guide to mastering the core features. 1. Getting started. The interface upon launching the software, the home screen provides quick access to common tasks. Open PDF *, browse files from your computer. Combine *, merge multiple PDFs or image files into one document. Convert *, change PDFs into Word, Excel, or PPT formats. OCR * recognize text in scanned documents to make them editable. 2. Core features step by step. Editing text and images. To modify the content of a document, click the Edit tab at the top. Edit text *, click on any text block to type, delete, or change font styles. Add images *, select Add Image from the toolbar to insert photos. You can drag the corners to resize or use the side panel to rotate and flip them. Links * use the link tool to add hyperlinks to websites or internal page jumps. Organizing pages. The Page tab allows you to manage the structure of your document. 1. Rearrange *, click and drag page thumbnails to change their order. 2. Delete/rotate *, hover over a thumbnail to see quick action icons. 3. Split/extract * use these tools to break a large PDF into smaller files or save specific pages as a new document. Using AI Assistant. new PDFelement now includes an AI sidebar, Lumi, to speed up your workflow. Summarize *, get a quick bulleted list of a long document's key points. Rewrite / proofread *, highlight text and ask the AI to improve the grammar or change the tone. Chat with PDF *, ask specific questions like, what is the expiration date in this contract? And the AI will find the answer. 3. Advanced tools, forms and security. Filling and creating forms. Go to the Form tab to handle interactive documents. Fillable fields *, if a form isn't fillable, click Recognize Form to let the software automatically detect and create text fields. Create manually *, add checkboxes, radio buttons, or drop-down menus using the toolbar. Signing and protection. Security is handled under the Protect and Comment tabs. Handwritten signature *, go to Comment Signature to draw or upload your own signature. Digital signatures * under Protect, use signed document for certificate-based, legally binding signatures. Passwords *, use set password to restrict who can open or print the file.